If you are like me and you've just published an ebook and you're looking for where to sell it, Gumroad promises to be one of those places. So, in this video, I want to show you how to use Gumroad and everything you need to know about Gumroad and how you can use it to sell digital products. The first thing you need to do is you want to go to gumroad.com and create an account. An account is free, and I'll put the link in the description so you can use it and create the account. After that, you will come to an interface like this one, and they have a very clean, easy to use interface. There are a lot of things you can do here. For instance, this is your home page where you see everything, your activity, the balance you have, your last 7 days earning, your last 28 days, and your total earning. You can also see all your products here, and you can see your collaborators. So you can collaborate with other people, and then it will show right here. You can see the checkout. This is where you like create discount codes for your product that you are selling. You can create checkout forms. You can even do an upsell. Yeah, you can even send emails to your buyer. So you can use this platform to actually grow an email list and then send them emails. So basically, you can have subscribers, you can publish email, you can even schedule it, which is nice. You can even create workflows. All right, you can create workflows, and this is where you see all your sales and also all of your analytics for your store, your products, and all of that. So you see the total views, you see the source, and basically the country, the sales, and a whole lot of things. Everything is plain. Here, this is your payouts, and you see how much you've received, and the minimum you earn before you get paid is just $10. You can see all your taxes also. And if you come to discover, this is where you discover things, products on Gumroad. So you see different things that people are selling, and this is also how your product is going to appear when you list your product. So you can sell basically a whole lot of things on Gumroad. So here you can also see library of things that you like, that you want to buy, or that you already purchased. So this is one of my purchases. You can see your reviews here. All right, and you can see the products you are following and all of that. So if you come to settings, this is where you do some things. Your profile settings, this is where you can change your store name and all of that. You can write a bio, you can change your logo, you can connect your social links, you can even change the font of the entire sites. Like you can make your own to be like blue and white, like the way mine is. You can change your own color. For payment, this is where you set up your payment method. So in my last video, I talked about how to create how to set up a payment method. So they need me to update it. So you want to go through that video. So I added an account, so you can withdraw through a bank account directly to your bank account, and you can also withdraw through PayPal. I don't want to go down because I don't want you to see the address I used, but that's about that. So those are the basic things you want to know. So I would have liked to talk about the pricing, but let's go to the product and let me show you how you can create products. So if you come to products here, you want to click on new product. So this is where you find all the products you've created. All right, this is where you find all the products you've created. You can give people products for free. So I created all these ones to make videos and all of that. You can see all the affiliated products, and you can become an affiliate to also earn, and you can see all the collabs you've done and all of that. But let's create a product. So if you come here, you click on new product, you see different products that you can create. You can create a digital product, you can create a course or a tutorial. Here you teach just like a video, a group of students and all of that. You can publish an ebook, which is basically a digital product. You can bundle things, you have membership, you can have services, you have course, coffee, and all of that. So let's say I want to sell an ebook. I'm just going to come here. Let's say I want to call it a funnel building checkout. So I want to select the product type, which is a digital product. I come down here, put the price. Maybe I want to sell this for maybe $25. So you can list it in different currencies, but I'm going to leave it to the US dollars. So I come to the next tier. I go to the next phase. This is where you can generate a dedicated link if you want. So let's say maybe I want to name this funnel BD or something like that. That's going to be the URL to my post. So this is where you put a description. You can add links, you can add images, you can make it as beautiful as possible. So even if you can format it also as you wanted. So I'm going to keep it simple and say this is just a test product. And this is where you upload your cover. Your cover is basically a landscape, so you can upload it directly from your computer, which is what I am going to do. So I'm going to, let's say I want to use this one. I can just upload it and it's going to be the cover photo. So I can also upload a thumbnail that will be 600 by 600, which is a square. So I'm going to find a square picture I can use right here. So I've added a square. This is basically the only square image I could find on my PC. And here you want to select your call to action and the summary of what they get, which is basically a PDF. All right. So you can add additional stuff like additional details if you wanted. I don't want to add anything there. You can also invite your customers to join your community. You can also invite them to join your circle or even to join your Discord server. Again, we don't want to do any of that. You can also allow them to pay what they want, which simply means this pricing will be flexible, but we don't want to do that. You also can tell them or allow them pay in installments, so they pay in bits, but we don't want to do that. So if you also have a variation of this product, like different format, different versions, you can also add the different versions right here. So let's say I have this in EPUB and I can change the price. I can do that here, but we don't want to do that. So you can just say yes. So you can limit if the number of product sales and all of that. In most cases, we are just going to leave all these things turned off. All right. If you have a custom domain, you can just put it right here, but we do not have all of that. So we are just going to continue. For some strange reasons, they just put their button at the top. So you must scroll from the bottom to the top and just save and continue. This is where you basically add the content of what you are selling. So you can also make it a test, anything that you want, but we want to upload. So we come here, we click on upload, and we can add existing product files, or we can import it directly from our computer. So I'm going to add from my computer. So I click on computer files, and then I have an ebook I created not so long ago, this one. So I'm going to put it right here. So this is the ebook. All right. And give it some time to upload. Click on publish and continue, and your product has been published. So this is basically how you use Gumroad to sell digital products. If you do not have your payment method, you will not be able to publish this. So make sure to set up your payment method first before you create a product. So if you do not do that, the product will not go live. So let's see what our product actually looks like. So this is what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like, and somebody can go through it. You can see they read the description and all of that. And the other image we uploaded, is 600 by 600, would appear on the explore page. So if somebody wanted it, they can just say I want it, and this is the product here. So they can also see your other product that you listed together, and then they can decide to buy them together. So this is where they put their email address, their phone number. So this will be a test product. All right. And then they can add tips for you, or they can even send it as a gift to somebody and the person will receive it. So this is basically how you can sell digital products inside of Gumroad. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you.